Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Luisa, and for today's video we are doing a summer FabFitFun unboxing. For this video I am teaming up with FabFitFun, who sent me their summer box, the summer 2025 box. Thank you so much, FabFitFun. And of course by now you know, because it's my second time doing this, I have two promotional codes for you. One is Luisa 20, so that you can get 20% off of one box if you want to try and see how it looks like. And the second one is Luisa 20 gift, which gives you a free gift for an annual subscription. With FabFitFun you can get customizable box 4 times a year with 6 full-size products, from beauty to fashion to fitness to wellness to home goods. I mean, there's a very long list of products you can choose from, and each box has a value of up to $350. You get access to members only flash sales with up to 70% off with brands like Prada, Coach, Glossier, Free People, Fenty Beauty, and so much more. The seasonal membership is $69.99, and don't forget, with the code Luisa20 you get 20% off your first box, which bring the cost of the box to about $55–56. That's pretty good. If you're going for an annual membership, it is $219.99 for the whole year, which brings it down to $55 a box. When you consider that the value of one box can go up to $350, I mean, it's a pretty good deal. Now, on my last unboxing, I played the game of guessing how much my box was worth, and you guys were pretty close. But if you want to check it out, I will link it up there for you guys to see. I think I was close to $300. I was like at $289 or something like that, from memory. I'm not sure. But with no further ado, let's start this unboxing, because I've been waiting to film this video to unbox everything. I opened the box already just to check out the products, because I didn't quite remember what I ordered. And that's the cool thing, is that you order your product from the long list of products that they have for you, and then you forget about it. So when you receive your box, you remember a few products, but out of the 6 usually you remember like 3 or 4, and then you forget everything else. So when I opened the box, I am literally pulled into this is hard a summer vibe with the ocean, the sunset. What are those flowers called again? The hibiscus flowers. I am loving it. It's only missing one thing, is the smell of suntan oil. Monoi. I'm gonna put the box right there now that you saw the design. That is so cute. And let's take out the first item. The first item is this little, it's not a hat, it's a straw visor. It is from the brand Beach Riot. And I took it to protect my face from the sun, which you can imagine. I live by the beach, and I get sun on my face from May till October. Now this is what the visor looks like. It's pretty nice. The inside here has a lining, and it has Velcro to open and close, to adjust to your head circumference. It's pretty like straight because it's brand new, so I'm gonna have to like make it round. Let's put it on and see. It's quite comfortable. Quite comfortable. I really like the style. I think it's like sportsy but class. I can see myself wearing this with a maxi dress and my Birkenstock. Yeah, or at the beach with my swimming suit on. I like it. So now the brand is called Beach Riot, and it retails for $78. All right. Definitely has the beach vibe that I am looking for. All right, the second product that I am showing you from my subscription box is from the brand Our Spare Change. It is a jewelry brand. I don't remember what this is. I have 3 pieces of jewelry out of 6 products. Oh yes, the earrings. Oh, they're so pretty. Hold on. Let me, it's a bag in a bag in a bag. Let me take them out so I can show you better. Okay, there they are. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? Okay, so let me give you the details on this product. They are called the Isa Pearl earrings. They retail for $70 and they are 18 karat gold plated earrings with, I believe, freshwater pearls. If you saw my last unboxing, I got those earrings in the unboxing and I absolutely adore them. I think that these ones for summer are going to be absolutely gorgeous. And I can't wait to rock them. And so far this with my visor are going to work very well together. I'm liking the vibe that I went for, I have to say. This is looking good. This is looking really good. Okay, moving on to the next product. This one I took for Ella. It's a pair of sunglasses. It's from the brand Air Shades. That's the brand right here, and they come in this nice little sunglasses bag that you can also use to clean your lenses. And this is what the sunglasses are looking like. I did not select them for myself because that's not my style at all. I like bigger coverage and lighter frames. I can put them on if you want. Hello, how you doing? No, I took them for Ella. I think they will look really good on her. I'll put a little picture of her wearing them so you can see. The logo is nice and discreet. Now, these sunglasses are retailing for, hold on, let me check on the computer. They're retailing for $40, okay? The plastic used for the frame of the glasses are made of 60% recycled post-consumer content. That's pretty good. I like that. I really, really like that. Next product is going to be, let's do another piece of jewelry, shall we? This time we are with a brand called Set and Stone. This is what the packaging looks like. All right, let's open this. I think it's the anklet. Yes, it is the anklet. So this is the pretty anklet that I got. Let me get a little bit closer. That's 14 karat gold plated plus glass shells, and it retails for $64. I think it matches my earrings very well. I will do some mud shots once I do a pedicure. Which is not gonna happen anytime soon, so I'm probably not gonna do much. But I have to say, this little anklet is so pretty, and it matches my earrings with the bead theme, the gold and the bead. So I can't wait to be wearing both of them. Yes. Now, so far we have a visor for $78, a pair of earrings for $70, an anklet for $64, a pair of sunglasses for $40. Are you guys adding all the numbers? Are you doing the math? I hope you are. I am not done. There's more. There's 2 more products. Are you guys ready? So the next one is from the same brand as the earrings, our spare change. This is the little bag. It is a little cuff bracelet. This cuff bracelet is 18 karat gold plated, and it's retailing for $62. Am I right? Is it $62 or did I memorize that wrong? Oh no, that's right, $62. Let me put it on for you guys to see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let me take up my watch here. Here. All right. Moving on to the next product. The next and the last, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next and the last product is going to be makeup, because you know your girl. She likes jewelries, she likes makeup, she likes a little bit of accessories, and I got myself a NARS lipstick. It is the Afterglow Sensual, hold on. It is the Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick color Wild Ride, and it retails for $42. Let me show you how absolutely gorgeous the packaging is. I mean, look at this. I love rose gold. I love how pretty this is. And the color is that intense red. Let me show you a bit closer. So we're here. That's a color that my mom used to wear. I don't know how often I'm gonna be wearing this color, but look at how rich this red is. Do you guys want to see it on? I have a feeling you guys want to see it on. Am I right or am I right? All right, let's do this. Let me get a mirror. All right, I got my mirror and I'm gonna put it on. Aha, it's very smooth. It's a very smooth lipstick to put on. You know, it's not as intense as I thought it would be. Voila. What do you think? It's pretty, right? This is a really nice red. Oh my goodness. I could get used to this red. It's not too bright, but it's still like pretty intense. It's a dark red. It's an intense dark red. I don't know if it's something I would wear for the summer or more for this fall. I think it's more of a fall color on my skin tone. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's pretty good. And that is all I have, you guys. That is all I have for you today. I just want to put everything on and show you guys what I'm wearing. Let's do a cool little mud shot of everything. Okay, let's do this. All right, let's do this. All right, my loves, this is it for all 6 products of this box. Don't forget to use the promo code. I have the links down below, But as a reminder, if you want to subscribe to one box, you get a 20% off your first box using the promo code Luisa20. And if you want to do an annual subscription, don't forget to use Luisa20 gift for a free gift for your annual subscription. Now, let's guesstimate how much this box is worth. How much do you think all these products added together are worth? I already give you the price for every single one of them, so technically you know. But let's say that you didn't hear me, right? How much do you think this box is worth? We have 18 karat gold-plated water pearl earrings. We have, I think it's a 14 karat, no, another 18 karat gold-plated bracelet. We have a 14 karat gold-plated and glass pearl anklet. We have a pair of awesome sunglasses. We have a visor, and we have a beautiful lipstick. Put together, how much do you think this box is worth? Let me do the math, which gives you half a second, because with the magic of editing, you will not see the time go by. But this, I'm buying you time right now as I'm talking to say absolutely nothing, so that you can put the comments down below on how much you're guesstimating this box for. All right, so I'm done doing the math. This box is worth $346. This is crazy. This is more expensive than my spring 2025 box that, again, I link up there for you guys to see if you haven't watched yet. Those products on the spring box are also available on the website. You guys, this is a pretty good value when you think about the price of one box on an annual subscription is like $55. You know, this is pretty good. All right, my loves, I'm all set with this video. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite product out of my selection, and if you have subscribed to the box, to the summer box, what did you order? I'm curious to know. Don't forget to leave a like if you're enjoying the content of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my videos, and share with a friend if you think that it could interest them. I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.